Sweet Bow Symphony Nail Art Tutorial by Beatles. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. Start with clean and dry nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this gel on thumb. Apply this gel on index finger and pinky. Apply this gel on middle finger. Apply this gel on ring finger. Cure for 60 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 60 seconds. Now take out the nail art stickers and the tweezer. Pick up the stickers and paste on nails. Be careful not to leave any gap between nails and stickers. Paste on middle finger and ring finger as well. Take out the French tip stickers. Pick up the stickers and paste on index finger. Paste on pinky as well. Apply this gel on index finger. Apply this gel on pinky. Cure for only 10 seconds to prevent the issue that stickers are hard to remove. Cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. The top coat makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beatles Gel Polish Amazon store.